Top 5 Ridiculous Ideas That Made Millions, Part 2. Before we get started here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. 5. Automatic Toothbrush. AmaBrush is an innovative tool that brushes your teeth automatically in just 10 seconds. When in your mouth, the device will brush your teeth all at once with no help needed. The total amount of all investments in this project reached $6 million in less than a month. 4. Slinky. The Slinky is arguably one of the most famous toys in the world. For those living in the Western world, it is virtually impossible to have not encountered the spring-like toy at some point in their lives. The inventor, Richard James, actually came up with the idea by accident when a spring fell and walked along the floor. After a showing at Gimbel's, he sold out of all his Slinkies and they soon became a must-have toy, going on to net James and his family around $250 million. 3. Santa Letters. A company called Santa Mail decided to make Christmas a little more real to children around the world. So, they registered a postal code at the North Pole in Alaska. After that, they started to charge parents $10 per letter to mail letters to children purporting to be Santa Claus. It's a simply crazy idea, and many thought it was a waste of time. Well, Santa Mail got 200,000 parents to send letters to their kids and made millions in revenue. 2. Crocs. Although the Croc has become something of a mega success in its relatively short lifespan, it was never meant to be a fashion item or a piece of footwear to be used every day. Instead, it was developed as a plastic clog that could be worn in the spa thanks to its air holes. After the first showing of them, the shoes sold out every pair and the creators saw the potential to market Crocs as a more conventional piece of clothing. The company now rakes in around $1 billion every year. 1. Bottled air. Bottled water is almost as crazy as bottling air in a can and selling it. So of course, bottled air is on this list. A Canadian startup company called Vitality Air started selling fresh air captured from the Rocky Mountains in Ziploc bags for $1 on eBay. Now, the company sells cans of air for $32 each. The company was started to sell air as a novelty, but soon orders started to skyrocket. Their major buyers turned out to be smog-riddled areas in China like Beijing. For those of you who want something extra, Vitality Air also sells oxygen in flavors like strawberry, grape, and root beer.
Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed. Check out one of these videos and don't forget to subscribe to support more videos.